Alright guys, so right now I'm using a DOA lure. It's a 1/4 ounce jig head with 20 pounds fluorocarbon Seaworks on my Mojo inshore, paired up with a Daiwa BG MQ 2500. Oh, got one. Oh, little trout. Okay, knocked the skunk off. All right, first cast. All right, second cast. Oh man, they're hungry, man. I'm getting bit left and right.
Yeah, already hit.
Yeah, second cast. Oh damn, they're chasing it. Okay, hold up. Let me lock my drive down first. Damn, that was a second cast. Okay. All right, I'm getting too excited though. Okay. Got him. Nice little trout though. Fun. All right, we got a nice little trout. Check them out. That's like the 4th cast. Damn, they're hungry this morning. Oh, shit, man, my bad. Oh, my bad. Hold up. There he goes on DOA. Ooh. All right, that was the 4th cast. So we didn't even leave the boat ramp yet. I'm using a DOA lure, cow shad. I don't know what color this is, but it's kind of like greenish tint with a chartreuse tail. So I'm just casting right along the bank and just working my way back. But man, they fired up this morning. Just casting right along this bank, retrieving it back. Got him. Woo! Got him, guys. Another trout. Man, they're hungry today. Oh, hold on. Oh. You're supposed to wet your hands first before you grab them, but. All right, guys. Yeah. Got one trolling. Oh no. Ah, it's a trout. Got a trout. Oh man, hold up. All right, the trout is out today. So right now we're heading to the next spot, and I like to troll a bait. You never know, something might come up and hit it. Lots of small trout right now. Not really big trout, but Still fun to catch though. Oh fuck. Dude, I'm getting bit left and right over here. I'm exaggerating like right now. But I am getting bites though. I'm gonna cast off to the grass line right there. Hit the bottom. You might have to work it slow since it's cold and the fish are like lethargic. You know? They want an easy meal. They don't want nothing like too fast for them to work for it, you know? Maybe a good ambush spot right here. Oh, damn, just had a hit. Called it. Want it bend? Damn. Alright guys, so I changed out the paddle tail. Man, but this is like a good ambush spot right here around this bend. Oh shit. I had something, took it. Got him. What is that? What is that? Oh, trout. Damn, dude done held it. I might make 15. Look at that. See this little ambush spot right here. Around this creek bend. Oh, I need my flyer. Alright, got him. I just changed the color too. Let's see if I get another one. Kind of ugly, but oh well. Around this creek bend, man. They like to ambush. Okay. I'm gonna move. Oh, got another one. This is another trout. Oh, it's a red. Oh man, got a little red, guys. Look at that. Nice. Fine. Wasn't not fighting that much though. All right. Beautiful red. Couple spots right there. Okay, let's go get another one. Damn, all on artificials. I think they're just hungry today, man. You could probably use a different paddle tail, whatever. But yeah. Another one. I think this bend, around this bend, is deep. Oh, damn. Oh my God, this is fun. And Richard done left me. I don't want to leave fish to find fish. See, when I'm fishing, I try to look for like deep, like drop-offs, oyster beds and stuff like that, because they typically hold fish. And like oyster beds and stuff, you know, small bait fish and crabs like to be around there, so that's where the fishes be at. Like trout, your redfish. But right now, the water's so low, them oyster beds, they're not covered. That's the only issue I see. But earlier when I was fishing around that bend, I knew it was holding fish, because fish, they like to stage up and like to ambush around that bend. And it's like a little deep, it's a little deep pocket right there, you know? But right here it's pretty shallow. It's probably like 2 feet of water. I might try that oyster bed right there. It's not submerged, but there might be some fish around here. Let's see. Oh, I just had a hit. I just had a hit. Got him. You see what I'm talking about? Around the oyster beds and stuff. Ah, trout. Hold up. They like to hang around there because small bait fish and crabs and stuff. Even though the water is shallow, there might be some around though. Okay, let's try it again. Oh. A nice trout. Nice little trout.